In this video, you will learn how to design an e-commerce website using WordPress. If someone wants to purchase a product right now and click on it, it will take them to the product page. On this product page, you can see more details about these products and all related products. They can add to cart, view cart, and you click on proceed to checkout. It will redirect them to the checkout page. Now they can now submit their contact information, their billing address. And when they click on place order, it will now redirect them to the Paystack payment gateway where they can pay through bank transfer or pay with debit card. So I'm going to be showing you how to register a domain name and hosting. This is the first step in creating a website. So choosing a domain name involves selecting an address for your website. For example, www.temo is a domain name for Temo. So you have to see your domain name as an address which you can use, which people can visit to purchase anything on your website. There are various hosting service providers available. We have Hostinger, we have Namecheap, we have Bluehost, we have DreamHost, and we have GoDaddy, and so on. For local hosting, I recommend HarmonWeb.com for domain and hosting needs. If you want to pay using your Naira card, I recommend that you go with local hosting providers. And the best option here is Harmon Web. I've been using this platform for over 3 years now, so you can actually get access to this platform by clicking the link in the description below. I will leave a link in the description below. Once you click the link, it will take you straight to this page. Or you can simply visit harmonweb.com. Or if you use the link in the description box below, you will get access to free.com.ng domain, which you can use for a year. Once you visit the Harmon Web, you will land on this page. Here you can search for a domain name and check if it's available. Now let's search for a domain. To search for this, so once you type in the domain name, you click on search. So you can see that this domain name is available. Once it's available, you will see this available here, and you can click on add to cart. But if it's unavailable, you can search for another domain name and click on add to cart. Then click on checkout. Now you can see that there is no hosting here. They're asking us to add a hosting, which we need to design our website. We are hosting a website on. We want to create a WordPress website, so we need a hosting plan. And for us to do that, we have to click on this hosting. To get a hosting plan, you click on this hosting. You scroll down, you see available options here. You see, okay, so you see the 3 options here: starter plan, classic plan, and VIP plan. And you can see the features under each plan. Just starting out, I recommend that you go with this starter plan. So you click on the order now button. Since we are registering a domain name and we are purchasing a hosting together, we can click on this use. Now, if you want a yearly plan, you can click on this to select 12 months plan, 12 months price. You can select that if that's what you want, and you will see the total due here. And mind you, this comes with free domain. If you are purchasing this hosting now, you get a free domain name. You will get the free .com.ng domain name. But if you are going with the 1 month price or 2 months, 3 months price, you won't get access to the free domain plan. So that's what you should know about this. So once you're done, you just click on continue. Then you scroll down. Then you see the checkout page here. You click on this checkout. Now, this will take you to the checkout page where you have to input your personal information, your billing address, your additional information like your WhatsApp number, and so on. So you can see the account security, the password, and everything. So that's what you have to fill in here. For the personal information, you have to type in your name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number. Then for the billing address, you can see that this company name is optional. You can type in your street address here. Type in your street address, your city, your state, your postal code, your country. Then for this WhatsApp number, you type in your WhatsApp number here. Then how do you find us? You can say through a friend. And then who are you creating websites for? For myself. Are you a developer? Yes. Then you scroll down to this and type in a password you can use to log into your website. You can use to log into Harmon Web. So make sure you put in a password you can easily remember. Put in a password you can easily remember and confirm the password here. And once you're done, you scroll down, make sure this is selected. Scroll down and check this. I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Check this and click on complete order. So I already have this in place, so I'm just going to click on this already registered. Now, as time goes on, you will have these accounts, or maybe you want to register another domain name and you want to use that same account, your Harmon Web account, to register that domain and host the website. So what you have to do now is to click on already registered, so you don't have to create another account. Then you type in your email address and password right here and log in. So since I already have a Harmon Web account, I'll go ahead and type in my email address and password. Then I'll click on login. So scroll down and check this. I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Then click on complete order. So I'll go ahead and make payments for this card. Click on this card. So there are different options here. You can pay with card, you can pay with transfer, you can pay with bank, you can pay with USSD. So we just have to select one option here. So the next thing we want to do is to install WordPress. Log into your client area and then come over to services here, click on services and click on my services. Scroll down and you see the domain name we purchased, the domain and hosting purchased. So you click on this active here and you will see login to Cpanel right here. Under actions, you will see login to Cpanel. Click on login to Cpanel. So this is the Cpanel. This is where you can install WordPress. This is also the page again. This is where you can also access your file manager. I'll go straight to subscriptions. Go down to software. Under software, click on WordPress Manager by Subscriptions. Then you click on install. Go down. Here you select, make sure that this protocol is HTTPS. So make sure you select this third option here and make sure this is your domain name. Leave here open. Don't select anything here. See anything, something like WP, you just remove it. Right. You select the latest version, leave it like this. Then you scroll down to your site name, set up your site name, type in whatever you want to type in here. Just name your site. Let's call this, let's say GB Sports. That will be site description and name your site. E-commerce. This admin account is where you set up your username and password. So you type in your username here. Make sure you select a username that you can easily remember and the password you can easily remember. Make sure you select that right here. Then you scroll down. Type in your email address right here and click on install. Then you click on install. And we have successfully installed this software called WordPress, and we can now start designing our website. To access our WordPress dashboard, we can simply click on this link here to access it. And this is the dashboard. Here is where you can start designing our website. Now, for us to design an e-commerce website, we need 3 plugins. One is Elementor. Number 2 is the Envato template. Number 3 is the WooCommerce. These are the 3 major plugins we need to design our website. And we can start by installing the Elementor. But before we install Elementor, let's install the theme we are going to be using for this website. So we can go over to this appearance and click on themes. Here we have to select a theme we can use to design our website. So we have to add new theme here, and we can do that by simply clicking on this add new theme. And we are going to search and select Hello Elementor. This is the Hello Elementor. We are going to be using this theme to design our website. So you can also search and select the theme. You can search and select for Hello Elementor here and click on install. And once you have installed the theme, you click on activate. The next thing to do is to install the Elementor plugin. And you can do that by simply clicking on these plugins. Under plugins, we click on add new plugin. Here, we search for Elementor. Okay, this is the Elementor plugin. Click on install. Once you have installed the Elementor, you click on activate. Okay, so let's go back to WordPress dashboard. You can click on this to return to WordPress dashboard. Now we have the Elementor. So the next plugin to install is the Envato template. This is where we can select templates we can use to design our e-commerce website. And we can install that by simply clicking on the add new plugin under the plugin section. We click on that, and we come over here and type Envato. This is the plugin. You can click on this install now. Envato elements. This is the plugin. You can click on this install now. And click on activate. Now we have to install the Elementor Pro. Let's install Elementor Pro so we can make use of the Envato element. Click on add new plugin and click on this upload. I'll go ahead and select my Elementor Pro and select the Elementor Pro. Click on open. Click on install now. So it says this, so we have to go over to our Cpanel to upload this plugin. We can do that by simply heading over to our hosting platform and head over to Cpanel. Same way we installed WordPress. Then we locate our file manager. Under files, you will see the file manager. Click on it. Then we click on public HTML. Click on WP content under public HTML. You click on plugins. Here you can click on upload and upload your plugin. Click on select file. Then you select your plugin here and click on open. So once you're done, you click on this go back. And here's our plugin. Click on it. And you click on extract. Click on extract files. And click on close. So we go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now this time around, we have to head over to install plugins under plugins. We have already installed this plugin, Elementor Pro, so we need to activate it. So here is the Elementor Pro. Click on this activate. And here we go. All right, so the Elementor Pro is ready. So we have installed the Elementor, we have installed the Envato elements and the Elementor Pro. Now we have to make use of this Envato element to install our templates we can use to design our website. And we can do that by simply going over to click on these elements. This is the Envato element. Click on under elements, click on installed kits. So you can make use of the free version, free kits. Let's see what we have here. Okay, you can make use of this. Okay, so you can search and select this, but I always recommend that you make use of, okay, make use of this installed kits. Now, for us to upload the template kits, we have to click on this plus icon. So I have these template kits I want to use. Let's go over here and search for e-commerce. So I have templates for e-commerce. There is the template folder for e-commerce. I'll just click on this and click on this. So I can search and select the one I want to use. Now, so I have this. Let's take for instance, I want to make use of these templates, these two templates. I want to make, so you have to download these templates by simply clicking on it. Okay, so clicking on dragging it to the top. So if you want to make, so if you want to learn how to install these templates, I've made the video on how to do this. Simply click on the link in the description below and to check out the video and the templates. All right. To upload these templates to this plugin, we can simply do that by simply clicking on this upload template kit. Now, these are the two templates we downloaded from the e-commerce folder. So here we have to do, all we have to do now is to simply click on this template and click on open. Let's start with this. Right, this is the template here. Now I'll click on this install kits. Let's upload the second one. Then I'll click on this, click on open. We're going to make use of these templates. Coming over here. Okay, first let's view this template kit again and install the requirements. Click on install requirements and click on install above selected requirements. So once you're done, you click on this. Now let's create a page. We head over to this page. Under pages, click on add new page. We close this tab. We name our page. Let's name this home page. Then we click on edit with Elementor. Yeah. So this is the home page. So this is Elementor page builder. Here is where we can edit our templates and publish our website. Now, to make use of these templates, we can simply click on this Envato elements icon here. Click on it, and then it will load the installed kits. Now you can choose from these template kits. You can choose any templates from these kits. Any template you want to use, you just click on it and check for the home page. So let's make use of this. Click on it. Then we'll search for the home page. Now this is the home page. Okay. And wait for it to import. So what we want to do is to give this more space. Now click on this page settings, over to this place, this side, then you scroll down to page layout. Click on this and select Elementor full width. So let's start by customizing the hero section. That's the top section. Select the entire section here. Go to edit and customize the hero section. Select the section here. So you come over to this place. Now, if you want to give the section more space, what you can do is to click on the section, click on it, and make sure it's highlighted. Click on this. Then you come over to this place under layout. You will see height. The options like default, fit to screen, and minimum height. So under this height, we are going to select minimum height and then choose type in 600 here. So to give it more space. Let's quickly go over to building the process now. So if you want to change the image, the background image here, you can simply click on this style here. Make sure the section is selected. Then you click on style. Then you can choose the image you want to use. Click on choose image. Now you can upload image. You can click on upload files and upload any image by clicking on the select files. Now you can download stock images from Pixabay, pixabay.com. So here you can search for any image. So type in the keyword you want to use. So let's say for instance you want to create a website for groceries. You can type in groceries as the keyword here. So it will give you images. So you can choose images you can use to design your hero section. Alright. So you can just simply click on any of the image you want to use. Click on it, then you click on download. To select the files here, click on select files. You're going to choose the image I downloaded. Once you see the image, you just click on it and click on open. Now make sure it's selected, then click on select. You can change this text. Type in whatever you want to type in here, right? So if you want to add any element here, you can simply click on this button here, add element, click on it, then you can drag. Let's say you want to add a button right here, you can drag this button to this. So let's say shop now. You can add a link to this button. To do that, you just simply copy a link to a page you want to add. So this is an example of a shopping page. So we can create a shopping page and add the link to this button. Now we want to customize this button. First, let's come over here to style. Text color, choose white. Choose a simple white. It's clean and works well most of the time. So for this typography, click on this pencil icon and come over to this. Click on this and you can change the font if you want, right? So I'll change the font to something like Poppins. I'll search and select this. Click on it. The font weight, I will select the font weight here. Click on it. I'll choose 700 bold. Then we'll scroll down to line height. Adjust this to get the right spacing between lines. So we are going to adjust this. And once we are done, we'll move to the next. Now we can change the color of the button by simply clicking on this color here. Select orange as the color button. Let's add an icon to this button. Move on to our contents. Then you see icon. Click on icon library. Let's search for shop. Let's select this and click on insert. So we scroll down. Now here are the categories. Make sure you publish your website right here. Once you're done, you go over to WordPress dashboard. Under commands, you see products right here. Click on all products. Under products, click on all products. Then click on create products. Okay, you can name these products. Let's call this strawberry. Strawberry. And add the description here. So you're going to paste the. You can use ChatGPT to write the description. Then we come over here and set our price. Let's say $10. Here $5. You can create a category or choose the category from these place. You can see product categories. Click on all categories. Let's create a new category here. Let's type in fruits. Click on add new category. Then make sure you check the category you just created. Make sure it's selected. So you can click on publish right here. So this is how to create a product. You can also add a picture. You can simply do that by clicking on set product image. Click on this. Click on upload. Click on select files. Now we are going to choose an image. Click on this. Click on open. Click on set product image. If you want to add more than 2 images, you can simply click on add product gallery images. Now once you're done, you click on update. Alright, if you want to change the currency, you can see that it is in dollars. If you want to change the currency, you can simply do that by clicking on WooCommerce. Under WooCommerce, click on settings. Here we are going to select the country. Select your country here, click on this. And you scroll down, sell to all countries. Yes, select to all countries. Okay, so you scroll down to this, right? Where it says currency, right? We can select any currency here. You can select any currency. So once you're done, you click on save changes. Now, let's go back to all products. Let's edit. So we're going to add another product. Click on add new products. Alright. So we add this here and add the price. Okay. Then we select the category. You can create new, you can add new category here. Right. Then we click on publish. But before we publish, let's add a product image. click on this, click on this, and click on upload, click on select files, then you select the product image here and click on open. Click set product image, then publish. Go back to our home page, all pages, click on all pages, then scroll to this home page and click on view. So you can see that the product is showing on this website, right? Link. So we are going to add the category link. We are going to attach it to these fruits. So once people click on these fruits, it will take them to the fruits category. And we can do that by simply heading over to our website. Go over to products. Go over to categories. Let's view the category. Right, so you can see the category here. We can copy the link here. See, and go over to our Elementor and attach it to this fruit. So once we click on this section right here, it will bring out all the categories. It will bring out this layout. Now we can click on this route and paste the link, paste the URL right here. And publish. Right. So anytime when people click on this button, it will take them to the category section. Now you can also attach that category to this button. You click on this button here. Let's copy paste the link here. So then we click on publish. So we are going to be editing each of these categories so to fit in. So here's the website. Now, if you click on any of these, it will take us to the product page. Now, if you click on add cart, then we click view cart. If we click on this proceed to checkout, this will actually take us to a page where we have to check out, but we need to integrate the payment gateway so that people can actually make payments. The next thing to do is to integrate the payment gateway on your website, and you can use payment gateways like Paystack, Flutterwave. So in this video, we are going to be integrating Paystack on our website. And to integrate Paystack on your website, you have to visit paystack.com. So go to Google and search for Paystack. Then you'll see this first option here. You click on it first. You see paystack.com. Click on it. Now to take it to the website. So this is Paystack. Now, if you are here to create an account with Paystack, you can simply click on this create free account here. And make sure you select your country right here. Select your country here. Type in the business name. Then you type in your first name and your last name. Then you put in your email address here. Scroll down, select your phone number, then you input a password. They say what business. You can start with this startup business. If you have a registered business, you can select this. You can select this, yes, and then you click on create my account. They'll ask you to verify your email address. You go to your inbox and search for the mail from Paystack. Then you click on the link, it will redirect you to Paystack. So it's just to confirm your email address. So once you have confirmed your email address, you can then log into your account. And you can do that by simply putting in your email address and your password right here. Then you click on login. They'll ask for verification code sent to your email address. You type it, you put it in here, and click on login. Then you log in. So you click on this. Alright, so you have to fill in this right here. Say fill in this form and submit so that you can get access to the live mode. Then once you fill in the form, you click on save. So that's how to activate this key. Once you have set everything up on Paystack, the next thing to do now is to integrate Paystack on your website. And you can do that by going to settings here, clicking on settings, then you click on API, keys, and webhooks. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Then you go to plugins. Under plugins, click on add new plugin. Then search for Paystack here. Install this plugin. You click on activate. So you click on settings under WooCommerce. Here, click on payments. You'll see this Paystack right here. What you have to do is to click on this. Click enable Paystack. You can name your title. You can type in anything here. It's what people will say when they want to check out on your website. And you can add a description. You can enable this text mode, but we are going to uncheck this since we are working on the live website. Payment option. Select one. You can select the pop-up or redirect. Now let's select pop-up. Live secret key. Now we have to go over to Paystack and copy our live secret key. And to do that, you click on these API keys, search for the secret key here. So you copy it. Then you go over to Paystack, go over to your dashboard and paste it in here. Then go to Paystack again, copy your live public key, dashboard, and paste it right here. Then you scroll down. You can select this and click on Save Changes. Now, before you click on Save Changes, we have to copy this. Okay. We have to copy this and paste it right in Paystack. This is the web. Paste it right here. Then you scroll down. Scroll down and click on Save Changes here. You go back to your dashboard and click on Save Changes. Right, it's already saved. Now, we have successfully integrated Paystack on our website. Once we visit our website now, we'll be able to check out and click on View Cart and proceed to check out. So you can see that is Paystack. So this is the Paystack logo right here. You can see we have integrated Paystack on our website. So the next thing to do is to set up our header and footer. And you can do that by simply installing a plugin on our website on WordPress. So we move on. So click on plugins. Click on plugins. Click on add new plugin under plugins. Then you search for Elementor. Search for Elementor. Then footer. Install. We are going to install this plugin right here. Click on install now. This is the plugin. You click on install now and click on activate. Now you have to click on header and footer builder under the plugin right here. Click on it. Then you can create a new header by clicking on the add new button here. Add a title. So once you're done, you come over here and click on select option. Click on header. Now you select where you want it to be. If you are creating a header, select header right here. If you are creating a footer, you have to select footer here. So now you click on this select again and select where you want the header to be. Alright, if you want this header to appear on the entire website, you have to select the entire website here. I'll select all. Then you can click on edit with Elementor. You can start creating your header. Right. Now I'm going to make use of the templates. Simply click on this and click on one of these and select a header. Then click on insert template. Okay. Delete one of these. Remove this. So this is the header, right? We have to change the logo. You have to change the logo. To change logo, you click on this image. Click on choose image. You select your logo here. Click on upload and select your logo. So the next thing you should do is to make sure that the home page is the first thing that will appear when people visit our website. So, and you can simply do that by clicking on these settings. Then you click on reading. Under settings, click on reading. If you want to add more pages, like to create the about page, if you want to create more pages, like the about page, service page, the and so on, we can simply do that by going to pages, all pages, click on add new page. Then we name the page we want to design. Let's call this about page. Page and click on edit with Elementor. Then we can click on these Elementor elements. Click on this templates and select a template for the about page. Click on insert template. Now, if you want to design the footer, same process. You go over to your dashboard. Click on the header and footer builder under this UAE plugin. Then you create. Click on add new and click on edit with Elementor. Then click on Elementor elements. Search for. So let's select template here. So you click on insert templates. So make sure you select. Just click on edit. Make sure you select the option here as footer. Then you click on this and select the website. This. Once you're done, you click on publish.